what's happening? It's now day 14. That makes it exactly 2 weeks into my 23-day challenge. And you wouldn't guess what? I ain't slept from last night. No. I had plumbing problems, I had computer problems, and then I had to wait to upload my videos. Well, so the time right now is about 3:15 p.m. and well, I haven't done any work just yet. So to make sure that I actually put my head down and do some work, I'm now heading into my local town center, and I'm heading to my favorite coffee shop, Starbucks. Yeah, I could have gone to Costa, which is much closer to where I live, but their beans taste different. You can once you know coffee, you know the difference between every cup you drink. So just for me to relax and get some work done, I decided I'll head to Starbucks today. So see you in a bit. So the time is 5 to 4 p.m. and I'm just outside Costa, and yeah, boy, it's looking packed up right now. So I'm now inside Starbucks coffee shop, and I managed to find myself a seat where I can put my laptop down and I'll also plug it in. The place is packed up, so I got myself a drink, a cappuccino, and about to get set to do some work. So what I plan to do today is learn how to do the image carousel using filling a JavaScript. So I'll spend my time looking at my options and learning them. Got the Starbucks drinking in cup. That's a caramel cappuccino, and I just went mad with the chocolate on top. Self-service. So the time right now is 20 past 4. I just got myself set up, and I want to show you the free code camp. I'm at 199 and I'm supposed to reach 250. So what I'm gonna do before I start my image carousel, I will attempt at least five challenges of this. 6 challenges, let's make it. So I'll go up to 205, remaining 45 challenges. And I'll show you the code wars. This is my profile. As you see in the top right hand corner, I have 8k YU, and I'm supposed to reach 5k YU. And I think this over here is the honor points, and I only got 4. So I don't know how the honor points work, but I'm to reach 300. So this is supposed to be 5, and that's supposed to be 300. So I'll be back in a bit with a further update. Okay, before I leave, this is more details on my profile. According to this, I only completed 1 kata, and I got 4 honor points, like I said, and 8 KYU. The only languages I've done is JavaScript. And the next rank I'm supposed to get is 7 KYU. So each time you rank up, the KYU will get lower. And according to this, I'm 10% there. Also on this webpage here, I know this as a blog, medium.com, and this is the article that I spotted with the best example of how to build a carousel from scratch in Vanilla.js. Gives you a challenge, shows you the HTML, gives you the CSS. So this is easy, the wrapper code, box sizing, transform style. Well, Preserve 3D, first time I know that value. Uh, More CSS, and then later it gives you the JavaScript. So the JavaScript, I haven't even observed this yet, but it seems easy enough. Yeah, I'm surprised. I can read the JavaScript better than I can read the CSS used for this. Okay, so I'm just about to get down to work. Starting with the free code camp 5 challenges, then straight onto this um, image carousel. So I'm on my third challenge on free code camp, and the reason why I'm recording just to show my audience that this is new to me. And I've heard of for loops. I heard of um, while loops, but this do while loops is something brand new to me. So yeah, I'll have fun learning this. And this one, profile lookup, is my fourth challenge out of the what I got today, and I had to go and look at the solutions to be able to answer this question. So the reason why I'm showing that, I'm exposing that now, so I can personally look back at this video and see, yeah, this is what I gotta work on. So I could see for this function, it uses a for loop with an if statement inside with another embedded if statement. The time now is almost 5 p.m. and I've reached 205 points on free code camp, so I completed 6 challenges. And while I was looking about, I noticed if I hit the curriculum here and show you, let me close this, open that, basic JavaScript. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left in this certification. So what I'm gonna do, as I planned earlier, I'm gonna do the image carousel, and then I'll return to this instead of going to the code wars. I'll complete the 5 over here. That will bring my points to 111, leaving 49. Is it 49? 39 remaining. Yeah. So I'm doing quite well for the free code camp bit. What I need to worry about for the next, today's 14 days, for the next 9 days, is completing the code wars. So now going to my image carousel. So the time is 2 minutes to 7 p.m. and Starbucks is just about to kick me out because they close at 7 p.m. and I just completed the coding for the image casserole, and I uploaded it to GitHub pages. So the next thing I have to do on this is just customize my page, make it look more presentable, as it's got a plain background and not so much text. So this is what I've done. Hello world, my name's Quartey and I got 5 images in the carousel. So there's me, cup of coffee, computer with CSS code, another computer with coffee and a notebook, and then me again. Yeah. So I think I've done well so far. So when I reach back home, I'll get back onto my free code camp and complete them 6 challenges. So it's just gone past 7 p.m. I've been thrown out of Starbucks. There's another coffee shop here. Costa's here. They close at 10, but they don't have any like plugs for me to plug in my what you call it, my laptop. There's another coffee shop, Wayne's, and that closes at 8, so I might as well just make my way home, get something to eat, and get back down to work. So I'll make another clip in a little bit. Yeah, I just come out Lidl and I got myself some canned drinks. Like I'm feeling to go home, get something to eat, and then I got that I still got that bottle from the weekend, so I just like sip a bit of that. Got myself some Pepsi from Lidl, £3 for the pack of 6. That's okay price, you know. It's like the old school prices where we used to get a canned drink for 50p, but now it's something like 80 pence each. So I save something like 30 pence per can. Still, yeah, on my way home. I'm now back at home and I'm just relaxing right now. Fix myself some food. Ain't eaten yet. Got some anime playing. Yeah, I'm a millennial and I love my anime, you know. So my anime's playing. And this is what I fixed myself up today. Half home cooked, half takeaway. Chicken wings and french fries takeaway. Scrambled eggs and toast home. With my can of Pepsi. So the time now is 20 to 10. And I've had something to eat. I didn't have any drink besides soft drink. And I just completed the 6, was it 6 or 5? I've completed the remaining um, challenges of the basic, basic JavaScript. Excuse me. Yeah. So if I'm to check, I have to go to the front page. If I check down here, I'm at 210. So only 40 challenges left. So let's see what's left in the curriculum. Because with 40 challenges, there's ES6 that I started before. I can continue with that. Let's see. JavaScript. So basic JavaScript I've completed. ES6 still remaining. 16. Got 16 challenges. So out of 40, 16, that remains what, 26? Yeah, that means 26 challenges. So I can continue. Let's leave this till Friday. Tomorrow's Thursday. I can concentrate on my personal website tomorrow, make it responsive, put some color to it and so on. Look at that, YouTube. Yeah, I had to check out YouTube for a couple of solutions to the challenges, because I did get into a spot of trouble, and well, Free Code Camp never had the solution on their website, but YouTube seems to have the answer. So thanks for YouTube, I actually managed to get through that. If I'm to go to their website now, founders and coders, hit the apply button page, scroll down, Okay, so basic data structures and algorithm scripting. So let's say the weekend I'll continue with the JavaScript. Ooh, I've only got 9 days left, and the hardest bit will be the code wars, because those are real hard challenges with no solutions. You have to use your knowledge to be able to complete that. I think I'm gonna call it a night, you know. Let me get my Sublime Text. No, the wrong one. So here again is my personal website so far. Got a little H1, a H2, and the image carousel. Ah, that's good. I'm on the Founders and Coders webpage. Let's see what they're asking for. Let me work backwards. Done that, done that, done that, done that. Contain links to your free code camp. I should ask them about this. Should this be on the website? Or I got my free code camps linked up to my GitHub page profile, and I don't know about CodeWords. I think CodeWords linked up as well. Container link back to GitHub. That okay. Yeah. So you know what? I'm gonna include this in my site. Tell us about why you are applying for the program. So I gotta make a pitch and demonstrate your learning for the prerequisite. Show us with code who you are. Okay. So I guess tomorrow I'll just put in the links to my GitHub and free code camp. So 9 days to complete Code Wars. Put the final touches to my website and finish up the JavaScript challenges. Okay, so what am I gonna do tonight? I'm not gonna do anything tonight. That's that. Wow, look at my hair. I almost fell asleep after eating, man. So get flattened a bit. Yeah, I'm gonna call it a day now. But I feel quite confident. All I have to do is just make sure that I write a good pitch, give them a good reason for why I want to attend this boot camp. I got how many more days? It's 14 today, so I got 9 more days left for this challenge to be completed. Besides the Code Wars part, everything else I think I got in the bag. So like JavaScript, if you've been following these videos, I've been admitting that I've been showing that there's quite a bit in the free code can challenges that I'm new to, or I didn't understand. But I'm not worried about that, because I don't think they want us to do this work to actually know the stuff before we get there. I think they want us to be at a certain level of understanding how to read code, understanding how JavaScript programming works, and the fundamentals at least. So hopefully I'll get this challenge complete within the 9 days remaining, and yeah, I'll I'll get accepted and will attend the 18-week boot camp. So I'm gonna sign off now. As usual, if you haven't seen the rest of the previous videos, check out the playlist. If you like to see more, subscribe. and also leave a comment if you feel like the video, if you like the material that you've seen, and I'm gonna call it a night. Yeah, so bless.